I should tell you about the story about the TV actually. We aside, but a bit of fun there. As a floor manager on live TV in the early days of CHTV3, floor managers have to get in the eye line of the presenter and the camera to give them cues and things like that. And here I was underneath the camera lens, and the director was counting down 10, 9, 8, so I was going 10, 9, 8 and starting, and on about 3 the director said, "Track in," and the cameraman tracked in, knocked the back of my head. In those days I used to wear 2 contact lenses, one in each eye naturally enough, and both lenses went dong, and I just stayed there, and the cameraman knew exactly what had happened. He pressed his talk back, "Craig's lost his contact lens." And Rodney Bryant, who was the front man, said, "Welcome Christchurch, hello, or welcome to Mainland Touch. Just hang on a minute, the floor manager's lost his contact lenses." So here we all got on the floor looking for contact lenses on live television. That's the beauty of that sort of stuff.